What's up, everybody? We are back and we're working on the cheap 12 valve P-pump Cummins. So this thing was towed in here, but today it is driving out. We are going to go get new tires all the way around. The ones that are on here, they're dry rotted, they're cracked, and they're flat spotted. And actually I found one that was completely flat, so they gotta go. I can't imagine they'd ride well down the road, so hopefully we can make it down to the tire shop and back. It's gonna be sketchy, but I think we can make it. When I say this thing has not moved in a while, check these out. 1999 in Texas and 2000. Let's see if we can get a cold start on this thing. It hasn't been started in a couple weeks. Now let's see if we can back out of here. Oh, that seatbelt is so nasty. Oh, that's gross. Let's find something to wipe it off with. That's just surface crud. We've got tags and insurance. More crud. All right, we're hitting trees. That's all right. It's weird, I look behind me and there's a mirror. Like, that's not helpful. 6 miles to go. Let's get it.
1.3 miles. Take a slight left turn.
It's jittery and jattery, but she's holding. Tires are crap. It was super sketchy. Let's see if we can talk to my buddy and get some tires done on this thing. Been here for hours. I know it's a lot of work to do on these tires, but man, the sun's going down and we have no headlights. Look at these things. Still working on. Look at the size of these front brakes though. They're just enormous. These headlights, yeah, that's not gonna work out well for me. We are back. I'm super thankful for my buddy in this tire shop. They got these things put on. It took a little while, but I'd rather them take the extra time and do it right. So we snuck in, still got home before dark. I booked a 1,700 mile camping trip coming up this summer. I don't know, will we take this big nasty or we're gonna take our other towable? I don't know. I still don't know if this thing is the right one for my family, but man, it has been a blast to work on so far. Thanks for coming along in this journey, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Dad's gonna leave a mark, and my dad's gonna be mad. I had a little problem getting in the back driveway here. This is not gravel, it's just all dirt, and it's been raining for days. Had to give it the beans, but she made it through.